Hey guys, welcome back. It's Cheryl here today, Around the House with Cheryl. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul, and if you wanted to see some of the great things I picked up on this trip, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, I have on the same shirt I had on earlier when I did my Walmart haul, so you be sure to check that out. I got some fantastic deals. I got a couple of clothes for $1, $2, and $3. So let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. I'm not going any particular order or category. I'm gonna try, but I got all these bags here. So I got a gift card for Christmas to the Dollar Tree. Of course, you know I didn't go in the budget of what the card was for. I went over. So anyway, we're going to start out with some boring food products first before we get into the good stuff. Alright, this is a family size, 6 servings. It's the Hungry Jack au gratin potatoes. So I thought this would make a good little side dish. I got 2. I don't normally buy packaged foods. I usually make everything from scratch, just because I do. Now, I've hauled this before, and if you haven't tried it, you've got to try this. It's so delicious. This is a 9-ounce. It's the authentic Spanish recipe. It's the saffron yellow rice. And let's see, how many does it serve? They don't say on here, you know. I bought those reading glasses. I keep forgetting to bring them over here. 4.5, 4.5 size servings. So it's the Vigo yellow rice. And I've used this rice also to make my Spanish chicken and rice, and if I didn't feel like making my own rice, I use that. And then I stored on carry this, but I saw it, so I picked it up. It's 100% pure coffee, espresso, Cafe El Moro. It's a Puerto Rican coffee company. And what does it say? Hoboken, New Jersey. And that's interesting because that's where my husband's from, and he's Puerto Rican. This is the espresso, so I have picked up 4 of those. That's 2 there. And here's the other 2. And it's espresso, but we drink it as coffee because we like it. We like it strong. We like it strong. So let me see. Okay, I picked up 2 of these. These are much smaller than they used to be. The Brims movie theater butter popcorn. I picked up 2, but we already opened up 1 of them. And you can get sick of it fairly quick, but it's a good little snack. Okay, 2 more food items, I think. This might be it. I got the Sazon Goya Culantro Achote. And this is what I use to put in my beans and my rice. It's 8 packets in there, yeah. And see that pot on there? I picked up a pot a couple months ago, probably in the fall, from the Spanish store here in North Carolina. The only thing I don't like about the pot, you can't leave your food in it and put it in the refrigerator like some pots you can do. So you had to clean it right away, but it's so light and cooks excellent, and it's so easy to clean. I'm going to show you that pot. I wish I did a review on it. I don't know if I still had the label, but anyway, I want to show you what that pot looks like. And then I just picked up this Bullseye Everyday Barbecue Sauce in original, in case I decide to make some barbecue chicken or something like that. So, as far as I know, that's the food products. So now we're going to get into a couple little kitchen things, you know, things you pick up as you go. This is a cling wrap. This is by Glad, the 45 square feet. I always think I don't have any, and I picked up some, so it's never a big deal for $1. You don't want to run out when you're in the middle channel cooking something, and this one, somebody else had mentioned on their channel to keep an eye out for the Reynolds wrap, the bonus pack. The normal is 15. This is 20% more, so you get 18. But I don't know about y'all, but it seemed like to me, the well, I guess it's regular foil, so it's not heavy duty. But it seems so thin. Okay, let's see. I think, guys, that is everything related to food. So now let's get into well, this is still sort of related to food, so I'll show this. Then we're gonna get into some cleaning items, and you keep watching. I'll show you some nice little things I picked up for myself as a beauty things from the Dollar Tree. This is a mess strainer by Cooking Concepts, and the one I had was probably, you know, I always tell you stuff for 20 years old. It probably was. But I picked me up a clean one, and I actually threw the other one away. And then these mess strainers, there's 2 pieces. I'm telling you guys, this is the best thing that I've gotten from the Dollar Tree. One of the best. You wouldn't be amazed of how much stuff that would be going down your sink if you didn't have this in here. I'm telling you. And this little one, we put that in the sink in the garage, because I looked at the one that's out there and it is toe slam. Ugh. All right, so, okay, so we're going to get into some cleaning stuff, because, you know, before you know it, it'll be spring, even though it feels like it here. I think today was 70 degrees. Oh, my poor plants, and they don't know what to do. Y'all know I'm a gardener. I don't want my plants to be coming with buds on it in January, and then, you know, another week or so, it'll be a hard frost and all the buds will die. But if you have not tried this, you have to. I mean, it cleans so many things. I love it. Every time I see it, not every time, but most of the time I go to Dollar Tree. If I think I'm low, I'll pick one up. But what it is LA's totally awesome. I got the refill bottle. I already have a spray bottle. It's really good. I use it in the kitchen with grease. And I think I said this before. If you put some of that in a bucket with water and maybe a little Dawn or something like that and mop your floor, you be scared when you pour that water out. I know I was. I'm going to do a review on this thing I bought. And unfortunately, I think my husband threw the box away. But it's a steam mop. Let me tell you, when I turned that thing over and looked at that pad, I was scared. I can't wait to show y'all. I'm going to be back to show y'all that, because I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. It's not what I thought it was going to be, but you will be amazed at what comes off your floor. So anyway, back to the Dollar Tree haul. All right, so I thought I'd try this. This is by LA's Totally Awesome as well. This is the all-purpose cleaner. It's rust, lime, and calcium. So I'm not sure why I bought this, and I guess for the bathroom. Anyway, that's what I got. If you guys have tried this, comment below. Let me know how you liked it, if it worked well for you. And then I've been picking up like refill bottles, because I already have spray bottles. This one says it cuts through grease and grime and kills bacteria and viruses. This is the Spick and Span Everyday Antibacterial Cleaner. I put this in a spray bottle and I use it on my countertops. Okay, so that's cheaper than getting Clorox or whatever. And here's another one. This is Tile Plus 4-in-1 Multi-Surface Cleaner. And I'm not sure, I guess I would probably use it on maybe the bathroom on my countertops. This one has 25% more than the 32-ounce size, so it's 40 ounces. And let's see, yeah, refreshing lemon scent. I didn't try to smell it and see. I don't know. Try to get this top off. I might break it. Oh shoot. I ain't messing with that, y'all. I ain't trying to do it today. Because then I'll be pissed off if the thing, the spray break. I'm going to leave this rust, lime, and calcium out. Because I saw my husband picked up some some kind of spray for the shower. So that means he gonna try to clean the shower for me. I was gonna do a video on my bathroom, cleaning my bathroom. But if he cleaned it up, I don't have to, right? Okay, now, hold up. We about to get into the beauty products in a second. Lord. Okay, so I saw this. I had not noticed it before, but it's a liquid dispensing brush. So you could put your soap or whatever in there, and it's a brush. I think that was pretty good. I can use that in the shower. And then I told him I wanted some more crates to put my Christmas stuff in. He was like, oh, we got to hold off on the crates because we need some toilet brushes. I was like, really? We'll hold off on a crate for $1 item? So I picked up 2 new ones. I got 2 new, wait, that ain't it. 2 new brushes. I'm going to finally throw them other nasty ones in the trash can. Okay, this one is good for the shower. Pot and pan brush. Oh, it says pot and pan brush. Okay, but I can see using this in the shower too. I ain't using this no pot and pan because you know what's going to happen? Somebody else is going to use it and it's going to be nasty and they ain't going to clean it. So this is a bathroom brush for me. Alright, I saw these and I do have a Swiffer that I bought. I like the Swiffer because you know, you get a lot of dirt up, but I hate putting the darn things on them. But this is a 20 pack, but it's a wet sweeper cloth refill. It's a lemon scent, and it says it fits the Swiffer sweeper. So for 20 in a pack, you cannot go wrong. You hear my dog barking? That's old Mr. Teddy. And then another thing I got that was cleaning is these furniture wipes. This is the lemon scent. This says 24 wipes. So I picked that up. Hold on, I'm gonna see what that dog wants. Hey y'all, look who's barking, making all that noise, old monster man. Look, tongue sticking out. He don't have any teeth, so his tongue don't stick in. Do me, get dirty chest. You been eating? You been? Okay, I'm gonna let Mr. Smokey down. Hopefully he won't go to the door and start scratching. All right, he done got me all discombobulated on this haul, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna show you these bags. And he got a wheezing problem, so if you hear that in the background. Okay, look, they got these little vinyl bags. This one is Grandmaster Live Tonight. 7 p.m. doors open, all ages. Mace Windu, something or other, and many more. But it's Yoda. Look, y'all. So it's the Star Wars Yoda bag. I see these bags with the figures on it, and I always have to pick them up if it's a movie. And this is the other one. Look, it has all the characters. I haven't seen the new Star Wars movie, but I saw that. I thought I liked that. And I like this bag here. It's kind of like a paint swirl. It's got pink and teal. And it's good to probably, like, if you want a little tote, if you want to carry something in there, like your lunch or clothes, gym clothes, overnight bag. It has a handle in it. So I picked those up. Okay, so now I'm going to try to get into, hopefully I won't miss a bag at the end. I'm going to try to get into the stuff that I picked up for myself with my gift card. Y'all probably done clicked off already. Oh wait, I do have another cleaning product. 2 actually. This smells so good, y'all. This is the extra strength carpet odor eliminator with the vacuum booster. It's supposed to help loosen the soil in the carpet. And it has OxyClean Dirt Fighters by Arm & Hammer. And this one, let's see if it has a name on it. I don't see a name on it. Okay. But anyway, that's what I got. It smells really good, y'all. Okay. And then the last cleaning item I had to pick me up some more Fabuloso. This one has 30% more. This is passion of fruits. I like this one the best. A lot of people like the purple one. But if you haven't tried the green one, y'all gotta check it out. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it open. Smells really good, y'all. And can't beat it. Might as well get the one that says 30% more. Okay. Alright, so now I think we're getting into the beauty stuff. No, sort of. Hey y'all, let's cut it off here. I'm gonna come back with another haul because I don't want y'all being on here forever and clicking off. Click, 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 click. So, if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll be back in a little bit with another Dollar Tree haul.